Has this ever happened to you? Well, I can fix that, and I'm going to show you. So if your door is making that noise and squeaking, grab you some lube. I use this one, the 3-in-1 garage door lube. But grab you a good lubricant, and I'm gonna show you exactly where to put it. So these right here, these are your garage door hinges. These where your rollers are attached to. You don't necessarily gotta spray it on the roller, but spray it right here on the hinge part. I'm gonna get it on all of them. Go to the other side. Now you want to spray it across the top of that spring right here. See that? Then also spray at the top of this chain. Now just let the lube penetrate for a couple minutes, and then you can test it. No more squeaking. Like and comment, let me know if I can show you how to fix something else.